Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. Let's start our class. In today's class, we are going to learn some topic from our chapter Alice in Wonderland. Let's start. Our first topic is irregular nouns. What are irregular nouns? Let's learn in more detail. Irregular nouns are the nouns which do not become plural by adding s or es. It means कि वो s और es add करने से plural नहीं बनते. Like in some nouns like baby, it becomes babies by adding ies. These are regular nouns, but irregular nouns are the nouns which do not become plural by adding s or es in the word. Let's see some examples. Like man, it becomes men. We are not adding s or es in at the end of this word, but it becomes plural simply by changing a in the middle. Man, men. The next word is foot. It becomes plural by changing double o into e. Feet. The next word woman, women. Sheep, sheep. These are the irregular nouns which do not become plural by adding s or es. Fish. Fish will remain fish in the plural form. Like deer. Deer will also remain same in its plural form. The next word mouse. Mouse, mice. In plural form we called it mice. Person, people. The next ox, oxen. And the last die, dice. As you can see in the picture, it's dice. Let's do the exercise. Read the sentences given below. Figure out the plural form of the noun given in brackets and fill in the blanks. Let's start. Amna saw a flock of birds across the field. It is a regular noun. There were too many dash in line, so I left the cinema. Person. Person, people. There were too many people. In plural form, person is people and it is an irregular noun. 5. Deer graze in the zoo. Deer will remain deer in its plural form. The shepherd shaved the wool of 7 sheep. 2 men helped move the ambulance. 2 men helped move the ambulance. And the last one, the desert is home to many cactuses. Let's do the other exercise. Brush your dash before going to bed. Brush your teeth before going to bed. We roll 2 die in the game of Ludo. We roll 2 dice. Several ducks swim down the river each spring. 3 women walked slowly across the road. Here we will write woman with W-O-M-E-N. It is the plural form of woman. Let's do the other exercise from our workbook. Part C. Complete the following sentences with the plural form of the noun given in brackets. These are the nouns given in brackets. We will write their plural forms in the blanks. Let's start. The dash went for shopping. The woman. W-O-M-E-N. There were many mice. There were many mice in the old house. The geese are swimming in the pond. The dash are playing in the park. Child, children. The plural form of child is children. The children are playing in the park. Her feet did not fit in the new shoes. The cart was pulled by 2 oxen. We caught many fish. Many people came on her birthday party. The plural form of person is people. Let's do the other topic, which is masculine and feminine nouns. Let's start. First, we will look into the explanation of masculine and feminine noun. Masculine gender, a gender that refers chiefly but not exclusively to males or to objects classified as males. यानी कि ऐसा gender जो male को represent करता है वो masculine gender है. And feminine gender refers to women, girls and female animals. यानी कि feminine gender ऐसा gender जो कि females को represent करता है things में या animals में या persons में, वो feminine gender होता है. Let's learn about them. Masculine, feminine. Man, woman, boy, girl. Man and boy are the masculine nouns and woman and girl are the feminine nouns. Actor, actress. Uncle, aunt. The next, prince, princess and lion, lioness यानी कि शेर, शेरनी. Do you know? Some nouns are neutral which means they are common gender nouns. यानी कि ऐसे nouns भी होते हैं जो कि common gender के लिए use होते हैं. Like male and female के लिए same. Let's see from the examples. Parent. First example is parent. Parent is used for both genders, whether it is male or female. Parent can be a mother or father. The next example, child. Child is a common gender noun. The next one, artist. Artist is used for both male and female. Spouse. Spouse is a common gender noun. It can be used for husband or wife. And at the last, we have doctor. Doctor represents male doctor as well as female doctor. Now let's do exercise from our book. Fill in the blanks with suitable nouns. With the help of this word bank, we will fill these blanks. Let's start. Daughter, son. Nun, monk. Heiress, hire. Mother-in-law, father-in-law. Madam, sir. Actress, actor. Waitress, waiter. Niece, nephew. Aunt, uncle and princess, prince. These are the masculine and feminine nouns. The next exercise is match the feminine gender with the masculine gender. Now we will match the feminine gender with its suitable masculine gender. Heroine. Heroine का masculine gender है hero. Wife, husband. Queen, king. Lass, lad. Landlady, landlord. Manageress, manager. Hostess, host. Mistress, master. Widow, widower. And at the last, millionairess, millionaire. Let's do the other exercise. Rewrite the following sentences after changing the masculine noun to feminine gender. Now we will change these masculine gender into feminine gender and rewrite these sentences. Let's start. The prince spoke to his father. The princess spoke to her mother. The son hugged his mother. The daughter hugged her mother. The next sentence. My son-in-law is coming from London tomorrow. My daughter-in-law is coming from London tomorrow. I could hear the lion roar loudly from far away. In this sentence, we will change lion into lioness. I could hear the lioness roar loudly from far away. The boys were riding bicycles. The girls were riding bicycles. My nephew is visiting me during his holidays. My niece is visiting me during his holidays. The emperor ordered to prepare for a feast. The empress ordered to prepare for a feast. This is your today's lesson. Learn it. See you in the next class. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. La 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 la.